Today it's all about moisturizing foaming hand soap. So simple to make your own, and the first thing you're going to need, of course, is some kind of a bottle. Now, it could be a pump bottle that you already have. It can be one you purchased that puts out the foaming soap. Just rinse it out. That's all you need to do. You're going to fill it, and depending on the size of your bottle, your measurements will change. So all you're going to do is put in about 3/4 of the bottle full of water. You don't want to overfill, so I would come up to further than that, about there. Then we're going to take our Dr. Bonner's Castile soap. This is all natural soap, so it's so good for your hands. And we're going to fill it up almost all the way. And to that, to draw moisture to our hands, we're going to put in about a teaspoon of glycerin. And you can't go wrong with this. Don't worry. You can't add too little or too much. Glycerin won't hurt anything. Then we're just going to put our lid on, just like that, and then we're not going to shake. We're simply going to roll our bottle and turn it upside down to mix. That's all we need to do. And then all you're going to do is press the spout, get out your soap, and wash your hands. You can keep it at the sink all the time, keep it in the kitchen too. And if you want different smells, add some different essential oils to it to make it smell however you want it to smell. So there you are, moisturizing hand soap, quick, easy, and so inexpensive. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.